guys, welcome again. Today I'm doing a video. You gotta excuse me, I'm in the carpool line picking up my baby from summer school, so I guess I go ahead and start editing my video. Anywho, yes, on this marvelous Monday, I decided to upcycle a coffee table that I got from a wonderful lovely couple for free, and I started to paint it, but I already have like some brown at the bottom of one of my chairs, so I said, you know what, I'll just go ahead. So I decided to reupholster the top, and I have this beautiful faux fur that I purchased a while ago, and I bought it from Joanne, and I actually used the 60% off coupon, and that was the perfect time to buy it, because I ended up getting about 3 yards for like $17 and some change. Now that's the real good deal, because I want to say it's about that price for 1 yard. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, to start this project, I basically laid my fabric across, and I left enough seam allowance on each side to be able to fold it under comfortably and staple it. Now I did it just along the lines of the cushion, giving it about ½ an inch. That way I can fold it under. Now, as you can see, I'm pulling out my staple gun and loading it with the staples that go with mine. I bought the staple at Walmart. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and start along the sides. And the way that I normally do this, I work parallel to the side that I'm working on. So what I like to do is put about a few staples on one side, and then I switch over to the parallel side and just go ahead and add some on that side. And I like to go ahead and smooth it out just in case I need to make any adjustments. And as you can see, I'm steady working, and I'm going to go over to the other side and start my stapling process. Okay, now with this project, of course I have 4 corners. So what I decided to do was to fold it outward, if that makes sense. As you can see, I'm folding it in 2 separate directions, so my corners, can look pretty good and neat. So what I do is just staple this in place. And then I make sure I staple it on the other side as well. And then I place staples under it to secure it. And then I cut whatever excess that I have left over. And then on this side, as you can see, I had a little bit excess left over. And what I did was I just folded it one extra time, and it actually gave me a pretty good cushion to be able to staple it a little bit more. So if you have a little bit more left over, it's not a big deal. And I just continued this process all the way around until I completed my project. And as you can see, this is the finished product. I'm very, very happy with it, and I hope you guys like it. Welcome to what I would do differently. I don't think think this project was difficult. I can't think of anything I would have done differently as far as the process, because it was pretty straightforward. But one thing I would never do again is use light fur and wear black clothing. So with that being said, it can be quite messy. I'm gonna have to go change my clothes. Ta-ta.